Hey you guys, hi Polumi here, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So today I have come up with yet another video which is basically a review video. I know you guys enjoy watching the review videos as much as I love creating review videos. So today the product that I'm going to review is going to be a product from a skincare brand called Belif. So I know you guys all love Belif, but if you don't know Belif and you are just new in the game, then let me tell you guys that Belif is a brand which offers a unique variety of products incorporating the intricate Korean skincare regime in their products, and they use some of the purest ingredients in their products. So yeah, this was about the brand Belif, and the product that I'm going to review today is basically this one. It is the First Step Overnight Skincare Regeneration Mask, which basically looks like this, and this is the outer packaging, and I have a new tub inside this. So yeah, this is how the packaging looks like. And before diving in deep into this product, let me tell you that this is not some ordinary nighttime skincare cream, but it is a first aid skin rejuvenation mask. So you need to basically use this as a mask. So now let's talk about the first part of the video, where I will be talking about the packaging and the container and everything that we see when we first see the product. So this is how the outer packaging looks like. It is basically a grey cardboard packaging. The color is quite soothing and quite subtle. So this is a 360-degree view of the packaging. This is how it looks like. So yeah, when you open the package, you just see like a beautiful quote written over here, and then from inside you get the actual product. So the actual product basically looks like this. This is how the actual product looks like. So yeah, I hope my camera is focusing. So this is how the actual product looks like. It is basically a plastic container. It is a 50 ml packaging, as you can see. So when you open the cap of this particular tub, you see like this protective film over here, which is basically this one. So now when you open this protective film and you just see the product which is inside this. So yeah, this is how the product looks like. And yeah, this has some sticky substance to it, which I am going to discuss with you in a while. So yeah, this is how the packaging looks like. It is quite a simple and sleek packaging. I love the packaging and love everything about this packaging. So yeah, this is it about the packaging. So now let's dive into the ingredients part. So now talking about the ingredients, as I always say, please go through the ingredient list before buying any product, before consuming anything. So yeah, if you want to go through the ingredients list, you will be getting the ingredient list onto the secondary packaging of this particular product. So you have the ingredient list written onto like this area. This entire portion is totally studded with the ingredients list. So I know you guys might not be able to just see through, but yeah, I'm just going to read all the ingredients out, and I'm just going to point out and say what I feel like about each of the ingredients. So yeah, let me read you guys the ingredients. The first ingredient that we have is water, glycerin, butylene glycol, hydrogenated polydicine, and there are a lot of things like oat kernel extract, calendula official flower extract, then we have raspberry leaf extract, and then we have chickweed extract, okay, and then we have a lot of flowers and roots extract. Okay, this sounds great. Then horse chestnut. I've never heard the name of this thing. So this is something called horse chestnut leaf extract. Must be some flower or something, like a leaf extract, like yeah, the leaf part. So then we have a lot of things, leaf extract, then cocoa seed extract, then we have like then we have lime oil, and then we have some glabulins flower oil, then we have again like rosemary leaf oil, and a lot more to name off. And when I was like going through the ingredient, I particularly noticed one thing, that it does have mica in it. So yeah, this is the packaging, and here it is written over here like it has mica. So yeah, this particular thing does have mica in it. So if you are okay with having mica in your skincare routine, I never noticed this particular tiny part. So yeah, if you are okay with having mica in your product, then it's good for you. If you are not, then you should stay away from this particular product. I thought it's very necessary to let you guys know that it does have mica in it. So now we will be moving on towards the third part, where I will be talking about the texture and the consistency and about the feel of the product, how it feels like, and I'll just apply it on my face and I'll just show you guys how the texture and everything looks like. So when you first open it, you see this natto stretchy structures. This actually provides nourishment and skin vitality overnight. Thus, it helps in reducing the dullness and the tiredness from the skin, and it hydrates the skin and rejuvenates the skin all throughout the night. You just need to apply it, and you just need to massage it gently and leave it on your skin overnight, and you just wake up with very hydrated and rejuvenated skin, and the skin textures improves overnight rapidly. I won't say like it is going to do a magic spell on your skin. No, it is not, but yeah, it is going to work its magic over the night. It contains Nappers anti-aging formula for healthy and youthful looking skin, and it also contains a herbal formula for fragrance and hydration and rejuvenation of the skin. So there is a good news that this is suitable for all skin type out there. So any skin type out there can definitely use it without the fear of getting breakouts or the fear of this one not doing anything on the skin. So this is going to work its magic in all type of skin. This is free from parabens, this is free from sulfate, this is free from mineral oils, this is free from phthalate, this is free from synthetic fragrances, this is free from synthetic dyes. It is also free from synthetic preservatives and any kind of animal testing. So these are the things that it is truly free from. So now we are towards the other part of the video, where we are going to talk about how to use it on your skin. To use it on your skin, you need to first wash your face with a gentle face wash, and then apply your toner, your serum, the entire CTM routine, and then comes this tiny baby over here. You can apply this after or before your cream. So if you are using this, you need to use this in a thin consistency on your skin, and you just need to apply it overnight. So personally, when I use this, I do not use any other night cream or moisturizing cream. So I just clean my face, I go through my toner and my serum, and then I go towards this one. I apply this like onto my skin in a thin layer, and then I just leave it overnight. So it does the job of a good night cream, and it does the job of a night mask also. So basically for me, this is like a 2-in-1. So if you want, you can definitely apply it after going on with a good night cream. So yeah, that you can also roll the other way too, but yeah, that is what I prefer doing. So this basically is overnight skincare mask that repairs your skin while you are sleeping at night. So it has a shelf life of 12 months. So once you open the tub, you just need to get through it within 12 months, which I think is quite a lot of time for this product. So yeah, so I do not have any problem or any complaints about the shelf life, because it has like a good amount of shelf life, and this is dermatologically tested. So if you are scared to use this, then don't be scared, you are covered. So now we have reached on to like that part of the video where I'm just going to share my honest review and opinion about this particular product with you guys. But before going on towards the review, I just want to show you something that I have used over like one tub of this one, and then I ordered another tub. So I think I have used this and given this quite a lot of time of my life to come up with an honest review, and I'm just going to share what I felt like truly about this particular product. So I have felt that this is good in summers and in winters. So as I'm filming this video, it is winter over here, and trust me, I just apply it at night on my skin, and the next morning when I get up with a hydrated and moisturized skin. I just do not feel that dryness that winter nights does to the skin. And in the summers, when I used to apply this on my skin, I used to wake up with equally hydrated and moisturized skin without it leaving my skin tacky or slippery or greasy. So yeah, all the stuff that we feel in the summers, I never felt those using this particular cream over here, and I am not facing any kind of dryness issues in the winter. So that is why I'm saying that this is good for the summers and for the winters. So now let's be real, like all the nights before going on to the bed, we are not in that mood, or we are so tired that we just want to skip our entire CTM routine. I too have those days, and what I do on those nights is I just clean my face with a good face wash, and I just apply this particular product over here. I entirely skip my toner, my serum, my eye cream, other stuff like that. I just apply it on my skin on its own, and I just go to the bed. And the next morning when I get up, I just feel equally hydrated. So it is not always the toner, the serum which is working with this one, but this one on its own does provides a lot of hydration and a lot of moisturization and rejuvenation throughout the entire night. It is quite lightweight and hydrating. It is not sticky and greasy, but I won't say that it quickly absorbs into the skin, because it is a mask and you need to apply onto like a thin layer on your skin and just want to leave it. But that leaving, it does not take a lot of time to absorb into your skin or seep down into your skin. So yeah, these were my reviews about the particular product that I just shared. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this video, and if you guys have enjoyed watching this video, then do not forget to like this video and maybe subscribe to my channel, because it will mean a lot to me. I'll see you guys next day with yet another more interesting topic. Till then, take care, keep it glam, and stay healthy.